our innovation playground is probably two things. First of all, it's a very physical place. It's our testing facilities, it's our R&D capabilities, it's our prototyping capabilities. It's the spaces that we have where we can ideate, where we can bring customers in to ideate.
Consider it like a sandbox for engineers. So here we play all day.
The second part of the innovation playground is more of a mindset and an approach. It's an innovation mindset that goes really closely with our co-engineering approach.
It's our ability to question, to be curious, allows us to really challenge ourselves beyond what we may or may not know, because innovation is limitless.